MSD Fitting with GI seat for mud tiles and thatch, coconut, bamboo leaf roof house. Mark the area with the help of former tube or sheet. Cut the sheet with chisel and hammer. Make the final cut by scissor. Roughen the edges to apply sealant. Fold the edges upwards by plier. Smoothen the folds by hammer. Bend the two opposite edges of GI sheet by hammer. GI sheet is now ready for installation of MSD. Roughen the outer surface of the sun tube to apply sealant. Put the MSD in the hole of the GI sheet. Mix MC properly and make dough. Put the dough on the joint. Apply the white plumber sealant or any type of color coat on top of MC. Tie GI sheet with roof structure with GI wire. Installed MSD. Prepared GI sheet from the inside of the roof. GI sheet will be looking like this from the outside of the roof. Put the MSD from bottom and apply sealant properly. MSD installed on a thatched After that, and the Surya-Jyoti is now ready for use for daytime and nighttime.